Wind in December. Heavy wind like a storm. Want to blow the place down. Like you want to take down all the trees. Clouds going by.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Yeah, the wind had gone and all the thunder and everything disappeared. It was later on in the afternoon, going, pretty close to dark. I went out looking for trees. I didn't find any trees down, but it was beautiful though. Just the trees standing up right there. Winter has been setting in, water on the road and everything. It was just a nice even ride out. So I just want to share some of this with you guys. Yeah, and later on that day too, while I was driving around, I saw some turkeys. Seems like they were looking a place they could go hide out for winter. Nice turkeys. They had babies too, I think. Yeah, so this was really, really a nice morning. I really enjoyed this evening out.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Baby, you give You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.